Welcome, from me the UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to simply do it, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, find the toggle, which is for me located right over here, the battery saver, tap on it, and it will give you a message that turn on battery saver, question mark. To extend your battery life, battery saver turns off some device features and restricts apps. Now, giving a little bit more information about this from actual experience, what it will do is when the device is not being used, it, for instance, disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile network. So whenever you're not using the device, you won't actually be getting any kind of notifications that would be related to internet. Also, sometimes it drops the brightness of the display. Let's see if that's the case right here by turning it on. It looks like that is not the case, so majority of the things that it will be doing is just in the background. But if you also want to extend the battery even further past the things that are being done in the background and how the device actually operates, which is probably going to also reduce the performance of it, you can extend it even further by, for instance, dropping down the max brightness. So if you don't need it to be maxed out, you can drop it to halfway, and that will also increase your battery life by several hours actually. Now, there's additional things you can also do. So if you're not using Wi-Fi at all or mobile data, you can just simply turn it off. Bluetooth as well. If you're not using it, toggle it off. And location, again, toggle off. Those are all the things that will keep using your battery, even though you actually don't have any use for them because you might not be using them. There we go. I think that turned it off. Yep, there we go. So yeah, if you toggle all of these off, they will save a little bit more on battery. Now, things like the toggles, Bluetooth, and location might not save a lot, but as an example, the brightness does increase the battery life by a lot. And that is also dependent how far you want to drop the brightness of your display. Now in here, let's see if I can see. No, it doesn't look like there's any kind of indication of how long the battery will last. But yeah, that is basically how you would turn it on. And once you're done with it, there's two ways of turning it off. One way is to simply charge your device fully, and that will disable the power saving mode. Or the other one is just going back to the toggle, tapping on it, and disabling once you're done with it. But that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.